What is happening with airdrop nowadays? Both the Telegram airdrop and the app mining airdrop, what is going on? So guys, in this video I'm going to share my experience with Cpen listing. So did they scam us? Because they listed this token and they do not allow any users to sell their token at the time of the listing. They allowed users after 1 hour ago before users can sell their token. And here you can see that the price have already go down, and if you want to sell your token you can sell it now because the site, the exchange is now working properly. So now if you want to sell, you are going to change it to market. Then you are going to choose whether you are going to sell all of your Cpen token. And if you want to sell all of your Cpen token, then you draw it to 100%, and then you can sell your token. Either you sell it by market or by limit. Any one of your choice, you can do it. And here you can see that the price is going up, and at the same time the price is going down. They listed this token at the price of 0.003, but you can see that they dumped the price, and the price now is currently trading at 0.001. So is Cpen a scam airdrop? I would say yes, but not that type of scam, because you can sell your token now, and it's because that they are using two exchange. That is why the server is low.